Hey guys, and welcome to my new makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be doing Domino, an easy look for moviegoers if you want to go see Deadpool 2. Everything here can be bought at a drugstore or Hot Topic. Let's start normally with, foundation and then just powdering and blending. And then I'm actually going to be using NYX's Jumbo White Pencil as, concealer. Drawing a mustache on my face. But yeah, just making the center of my face as pale as possible. That's the goal. I want to look like I'm a freaking moon. Just moon in the sky. Then you're gonna blend. Blend, blend, blend. Just keep blending until it is soft like a baby's bottom. Or airbrush. Set that and blend it a little bit more with some powder, and then I go in and contour so I can look even paler and like my cheeks could cut glass. That's the goal here, cutting glass. For all of the eyeshadow and color in this look, I'm going to be using the Infinity Wars palette that you can pick up from Hot Topic. I can't remember where Domino's mark is. Which side? Which side is it? Maybe looking at some reference will help. Maybe. Alright. Back to it. I'm drawing in my eyebrows with eyebrow pencil and then going in with an angled brush and some brown powder to kind of fill it out. That's how I do. Now it's time for Domino's mark. I'm using a Kohl Kaj pencil crown thing to base it out and do the base black color. That way it'll be nice and dark when I go in with eyeshadow, and I am tight lining my eyes with the same pencil crown thing. Get it nice and dark, and then just going over it, setting it with some black eyeshadow. This is not a very lasting or staying look, so if you are going to a convention, I suggest using face paint or body paint, something that will actually stand the test. This was all smudged by the end of the movie, and it was just a movie. So here I'm going in with a detailed brush with a little bit of gel eyeliner on it to clean up the edges, and then going back in with that white and touching up some spots. For my other eye, I'm actually using just some nude shadows from the palette. I don't really because we're so dark on one side, I really wanted to keep it very natural on the other. Fun story, I actually messed up because I decided to try and do a smoky eye, a black smoky eye on the other eye. It looked awful. I had to redo it completely. For my eyeliner, I went in with NYX's eyeliner brush thing, and I did a very thick line as well as a nice thick wing coming from the top and going underneath my tear, or wait, what's it called? Waterline, that thing. Mascara. And then some lashes, because you're never complete without lashes. It was very windy, so my lashes nearly ran off my face. They wanted to jump for it, but I wouldn't let them. Going back in and retouching up the white, and I do this in the end as well. So much blending, so much white. Just gotta make sure. I just want to look like I'm shining, like I am made of the moon. Find your darkest lip liner and then go over it with black lipstick. Preferably matte. Mine is not matte, and I actually really didn't like it for this look, but you know what? It's one movie, whatever. And voila, you're beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Maybe following and subscribing to me. It's whatever you want to do. Thank you guys for your time.